Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to remove duplicates from Informatica. So for removing duplicates, we have different approaches in Informatica. So we can remove using source qualifier, and other one is sorter transformation, and we can use aggregated transformation also to delete the duplicates in Informatica. So what is duplicate data? So I have a data like this in source table. So this is the column. So this is the data. So this data we can say it's a duplicate. So same data, it is repeating twice. So that's the reason it's a duplicate. So we need to remove one row and other one we need to keep. This row we need to keep and we need to remove this one. So same way for this record, we have three records. It's same data it is there. So we need to remove two records and one we need to keep. So if you have a duplicate data, we should not delete all the records. So we should keep one record and remove remaining records we're supposed to delete. So this way how we can delete duplicate data using informatica. See, here we have source qualifiers. So in source qualifier we have option select distinct option. Once we enable this option, if we run our job, so it will load only distinct data and it will remove duplicates. So that is one way. And otherwise, so once you generate query like this, and we can use a distinct keyword here. So this way also it will remove duplicates. And other one is sorter transformation. So sorter transformation also we have a option distinct. So once we enable this option, so it will eliminate duplicates and it will load only any keywords into the target table. So then we'll use aggregator also. So I will explain like how aggregator will work and how we can delete through aggregator. So when we will use this source qualifier and when we need to use sorter transformation, when we need to use aggregator transformation. So we'll discuss first about that. Then we will discuss uh, through aggregator how we can delete duplicates. So first thing is whenever we have our source is like relational table, so then we need to use source qualifier. So we can use sorter also in case. So if our source is a relational table, we can use source qualifier or sorter transformation or aggregated transformation. We can use three options. But if our source is a flat file, we can use only sorter or aggregator only. So we cannot use source qualifier transformation because in source qualifier, it won't generate a query if source is a flat file. So whenever our source is a flat file, then we should go for sorter transformation, distinct option to remove the duplicates. So this is simple, very SQL and sorter transformation. We need to select the distinct option only. So then it will eliminate the duplicates. So then in aggregator, how we can eliminate the duplicates? So just remove this sorter transformation. We don't require sorter transformation for removing duplicates in through aggregator. So this is our source data. So I have already imported my source table. So I just used aggregator transformation. It's like all one-to-one mapping. Just remove this one. So we haven't selected any port group by here. So in aggregator, we need to select all ports group by. If you want to delete duplicates, we need to select all ports group by. Just refresh this map. This is our target table. So we don't have anything in a target table right now. So just run this and just check what is the data. Here you can see we are getting 8 rows from source and loading only 5 rows into the target. See, you can see only unique records. So we don't have any duplicate in our target table. Okay, fine. So how this aggregator will work for deleting the duplicates, so that I will explain clearly. So this is our source data. So when we do group by on all ports, so it will create a groups like this. For this is one group, and this one is other group, and for each these three records, each and every record, one group it will create. See, so we are selecting all ports group by. That's the reason. Based on all ports, it will create a group. So then what will happen? It will return last record of the group. In aggregated transformation, it will return last record of the group. So if you have 10 rows, if it is the same rows, so then it will return last record of the group. So for this also, it's only one record. So then last one is that is the one. So these four rows, sorry, these five rows only we will get. See, in this we have three records. So it will create one group and it will return last record of the group. So same way here also it will create with two records group and it will return last record of the group. So if you have not selected any port group by in aggregated transformation, it will return only last row of this table. That is input data, whatever we have. So in that it will create one group and it will return last record of the group. So that way it will happen. So now in this case, so we are getting only five rows because of that. It's creating group by on all ports and it is returning only last record of the group. So now I will run without group by. So as for expectation, it should return only last record of the group. So this record should come. So I'm selecting truncate target table option. So we have already data. See, this is only one record. So we got only last record of the table. So that way aggregator will work. Whenever you want to delete duplicates, then you should select all ports group by. So in that case, it will return last record of the each and every group and remaining duplicate data it will remove and will get only unique rows into the target table. So this is the process to remove duplicates in informatica level. So one is source qualifier distinct option, and source qualifier we can use in query level we can use a distinct keyword, and sorted transformation distinct option. So sorted transformation we can use only if our source is a flat file. So if source is a flat file, we cannot use source qualifier distinct option. So because we cannot able to generate the query. So whenever we are processing flat file, in that case, we supposed to use sorted distinct option. So that is the way to remove duplicates in informatica level. So that's it. If you have any doubts, just mention in the comments. So please like and subscribe. So thanks.